What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing something different, right? So we're doing something with my car. We're changing two things in my car. So the first thing, we're going to change the arc drive on my car, which is going over 10 inches. I don't know the exact size. Once the guy is here, I'm gonna ask him how big the screen is. My car is already coded, so we're all good, it's straightforward. So we're just going to change the unit, and then yeah, obviously bigger screen, bigger is better, innit? Anyways, right, so the second thing, what we're doing is we're changing the steering wheel. So I've been looking to get that done for a long time. I wanted to do it last year, but I just couldn't find the right company to do it. So yes, as you know, I love my M3 and I want to take it to a good place anyway. Right, so R44 Performance, they're doing it for me, and it's a fully custom made. Once it's on my car, I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm in Lichfield, so I've got to drive to London, which is, I still have 2 weeks. So my iDrive is getting fitted today, and then 2 weeks later my steering wheel will be done, and then I've got to find a time and then go there and get the steering wheel fitted. And I think so that's pretty much, there's nothing else to do on my car. It's fully loaded now. Exterior, interior, everything is done on my car. So once these two things are fitted, I'm going to show you my car from the inside and outside. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get it started. So it's the time, the way I'm going to show you how it looks before, so you guys can see the difference. So I'm going to show you on mine, because mine's still got the standard one, as you can see. So that's 9 point something, whatever inch. How big is this screen, bro? 10.2, yeah, 10.2. It's going to be a lot bigger than this once it's done. So yeah, that's how it looks before. This is in my car. So as I said, we're going to do the other one first, and then we're going to jump on this one. Let's do it. I forgot to show you how the screen looks once it was done. This is 2 weeks later. Let me show you. Looks now. You can tell how big the screen looks already. I'm seeing this lighting here is not the best, but 1 second. Right, so this is a little bit better. Anyways, so as I said before, 10.2 inches, and then touchscreen. If you go back here, obviously quite sensitive, it's really good. Obviously I've selected purple. You can choose anything that you want here, green, red, which is most of the people have it, but we stick with the purple. Right, so let me show you. Also you can have, as I said, this is an Android, so you can have all the apps, whatever you like. Just need to connect it with your phone. So you can see here is a YouTube. I've got to connect with my phone, so I won't be showing you that. Very simple. Hotspot, you need to connect your hotspot with this one. But anyways, so YouTube, Netflix, whatever you want though, to be fair. Waze is there, Google Chrome is there, anything that you like, you can have it. You can have your picture behind it if you want. As you can see, my picture there. But yeah, it's pretty cool though. I'm really pleased with it. The video motion, which is really important, which is a lot of people want to see. Anyways, here it is. So full screen, there you go. It's full screen and it's sick. The quality is brilliant. Your original BMW app. So as you can see here, I still have my original BMW, so it's not that you lose any of it. There you go. From here, as I say, my car was coded, Apple CarPlay, that was done from DD coding. So yeah, that's all sorted. I've also got Apple CarPlay here. Anything, to be fair, everything as a standard. And then if you touch it, it goes back to the Android. As I said, I love that feature anyway. Now 38 minutes, we'll get there. Long journey, about 3 hours, isn't it?
Yeah, but worth it.
So we are finally here at R44 Performance. Car is inside, let me just show you. So, man inside, please.
Happening, everybody.
So R44 Performance, go check them out. So come here, this is how it looks. Already started, I mean not wait, it's already started. So the airbag is out, so we're going to take the steering wheel, that's it.
That's the old one.
This is the old one. and then you just see the new one in a few seconds. So yeah, let's do it. Right, so here you can see the difference. So this is the old one, standard BMW. This is the one. Sick. Right, so we've got the airbag here. Which one do we choose?
Photo is like
Alcantara or the leather with the M Performance stitches? Yes, of course we've gone for the M Performance stitches. Everyone goes for the Alcantara, but I mean we've gone for the leather option. Same as the steering wheel, no Alcantara on the steering wheel, but this looks mega sick. That's what I'm talking about. Sick. Testing it now, and it looks mega. All done after 4 months, get them on, and I'm absolutely loving it. Let me show you. It's all fitted and works perfectly fine, so yes, check this bad boy. As I said, the carbon here and performance stripes here. Beautiful leather airbag with the M Performance stitches, red M1 and M2 buttons, and then we've got the carbon, double carbon centerpiece here, carbon there, and obviously the leather with the M Performance stitches here, and then the last we've got the pedal shifts here, which is in carbon. I'm going to show you more once we've got better lighting, because I don't know if you can really see it or not, but yes, this is how it looks like now, and trust me, I'm loving it. R44 Performance, they smashed it, chucked them out. But yeah, for now we're gonna head up to London, central London. We can get some nice shoes, we're gonna go get something to eat. What are we saying, Frank, here?
Some ribs so we can see the lights. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what we're talking about.
That's what I'm talking about. At least you got a smile on your face.
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
Right, so we're on the way back home now. Frank is driving. What are we saying, Frank?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Tired?
Nah, man.
I'm knackered, man. I'm
Having a lot on it, to be fair.
But anyways,
That was like a long time ago. That was like what, from 2 o'clock?
yeah, 2 o'clock.
So yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so it's about 1 AM now. We're on the way back home. So I'm going to show you the steering wheel in the morning when we've got daylight, of course. For now, good night. Right, so it's the next day. I had my steering wheel fitted yesterday. As I said, as I promised, I will show you one is a little bit better lighting. We have in the same spot anyway. Right, so if you come inside here, you will see the steering wheel here. So this is how it looks. I'm pretty sure you can see a little bit better now, the carbon. So let me go through once again what we've done to it. Right, so it's carbon, as you can see, carbon on the top, carbon here with the M Performance stripes here. We've got the speedo lights here. We've got the leather here, so we had option of Alcantara or leather, which is, I don't prefer Alcantara. A lot of people go for that, but as you can see here, I've got leather dash and everything, so I wanted to match that. So leather here with M-Performance stitches, double carbon here, carbon at the bottom, M-Performance, nice little touch, M-Performance stitches here as I said before. Then pedal shifts here, they are in carbon, red M1 and M2 button, nice little touch. I still got two things missing, which is going to come very soon. So I've got carbon bit here, carbon bit there, and then the red button, start and stop button, which is, I think so, I'm pretty much done with the interior, and it looks great. And then the light, as you can see. So yeah, so as you can see, the lights work, the screen works, everything happy. So I'm absolutely loving it. We had a really good drive yesterday. Enjoyed the steering wheel. Let me show you the whole car, what we've done to the car. As I said at the beginning of this video, that I'm going to show you what we've done to the car so far. Right, so as you can see, the car is, when I bought the car M3, that was the last year, the car was fully standard, black underneath. So what we've done to the car, obviously we wrapped it last year in yellow, which is now purple. So we wrapped it in purple. Right, you can see nice little stuff there, right inside there. Right, so a lot of people do ask me where do you get this stuff and this stuff, but I'll just explain on the video here. Right, so we've got full carbon kit, M-Performance kit from Unit 17. Check that out. I had it over a year now, no issues. Carbon is still fresh. Wing mirrors, side skirts, full M-Performance kit, as I said. Right, what else? On the interior wise, what we've done to the steering wheel, and then obviously the screen, gear knob and surround, that's carbon as well. What else? If you come here on the back, right, obviously I've got a wrapping company, so I need to try a few different shit anyway. So yes, this is wrap, carbon, back seats here. Didn't cost me much, normally they're about £500–600, but yeah, I've just wrapped it, looks the same. A1 car wrapping underneath, and it looks sick, it's my favourite word, it looks sick. Right, the spoiler, this is not M-Performance spoiler, this is a bigger spoiler, which is, I absolutely love it. F80 exhaust, which is sound incredible. Everywhere I go, people just ask me where do I get the exhaust from. Right, but anyways, my exhaust, F80 exhaust, which is, I absolutely love it on a daily basis. You can just turn the valves on and off, which is great. Number plates, we do it ourselves. So A1 wrap number plates, purple underneath, black on the top, as you can see. Into the lights. What else? Obviously powder coated the wheels. I need refurb because I scuffed them. Anyway, minor. What else? Car is fully coated by DD coating. That's done as well. So yes, how can I forget? The car is lowered as well. KW has kit. So the lower spring, the front you can see is pretty low. It's the lowest that you can go. Yeah, what else was done to the car, man? To be fair, there's nothing else much to do to the car. It's a competition pack. Nothing else. I'm just trying to think if we did anything else to the car. And obviously the ceramic coating, the car has been ceramic coated. That's must. What else, man? There's nothing else. So visually, I mean, when you look at the car, there is nothing else exteriorly, interiorly that you can actually do to the car. I haven't done anything, no tune, no nothing, no remapping, no nothing. We're not into that shit. Exhaust, people think it's a it's a stage 2 or whatever, but it's nothing. It's bright. So the one more thing that we've done it is the starlights here. As you can see, I've done it with one of my friends, and it looks pretty cool, honestly. Nice little touch. And at night when it's dark, it looks amazing. So yeah, just wanted to show you starlights, the interior goals this is. It's a 4x4 BHP on it, which is plenty for me. We're not into that fuss. We're not trying to be here, but the car looks absolutely great. This is what I love about it. And obviously another nice little touch. Stay there, you don't want to see my boot. Right, so number plate. So we've got the magnets behind the bumper, magnets on the number plate here. So we just do that, number plate is on the car. Trust me, a lot of people will be thinking that yes, this will fall off. No, I've just came back from London yesterday, and then as you can see, number plate is still there, and it's straightforward. You take it off, and you put it back on. That's it. Sick. And obviously when you want to take pictures, you do that, take pictures, rolling shot, whatever you want to do. Put the number plate back on, because you don't want to have 3 points, 6 points, whatever. We already been in that shit. But anyways, this is the number plate. Nice little touch, and that's it. To be fair, nothing else on the car. To be fair, there is nothing else you should do to the car. Down below what you think of my car, and then what color I should be going in next, because I'm already thinking what color to go next. But to be fair, it's hard. I don't know. I might stick to the satin black, but no, that's a bit too boring. But anyway, comment down below what you think of the car. If you guys enjoy the video, I'm going to show you the car around. Enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.